Let's begin by asking Rajujeshri Kami, who's been overseeing the construction of every detail of the upcoming new building, to share with you our progress in creating an ideal home for this precious group of Mother Divine.
Thank you, Rindy, and hello everyone, and welcome, and thank you for joining. We're really looking forward to sharing with you this afternoon some of the progress of the construction that's been taking place here in Livingston Manor. For over 12 years now, Mother Divine here in Livingston Manor have been intently focused on plans and preparations for building a new Vastu residence building for all of North American Mother Divine here in Livingston Manor on the campus of the Global Women's Center for Peace and Enlightenment. In 2006, on Mother Divine's 25th anniversary, Maharishi announced that he wanted to build a comfortable, dignified Vastu home for Mother Divine on every continent. And now, just within this past year, Maharishi's vision has been fully realized for North America here in Livingston Manor. So now I'm going to be sharing some pictures of the progress of this historic achievement. So I'll begin with just a little history of the property. It's been in the movement. This property has been in the TM organization in the United States for over 50 years. It's a 400-acre property in the southern Catskill Mountains of New York State and includes an 80-acre lake, Lake Chandeleur. Maharishi once called it our most sacred land. And here is an aerial view of the Global Women's Center. You see in the foreground the two existing Vastu Peace Palaces that were built in 2008. And behind that, the only remaining original building from the Waldermere Hotel that used to occupy this property. And for the past 15 years, this is where the majority of Mother Divine on this campus have been living. And then up behind, you see this grand new Vastu residence building for all of Mother Divine. And here, today, this picture was taken only a few days ago. Here's the campus today with a new residence building on its way to completion. There's still a lot of interior work that still needs to be done. We need to finish installing the ventilation system, install a heating system, the alarm system, and other things. But it's really well on its way. It's got a great momentum for being completed now. And this building, along with the two existing Peace Palaces, will now make it possible for us to bring together all of North American Mother Divine again in one place. One large group in one place, living in Vastu, one large group of Mother Divine in one place, living in Vastu, will create a huge influence of coherence and harmony and peace for all of North America and the world. And here is a view from behind the building, looking east at magnificent long-range views of the Catskill Mountains and Lake Chandeleur. This is what every Mother Divine will see when they step out onto their east balcony. The renovation of the campus in Livingston Manor began a number of years ago with the construction of a new Vastu kitchen, which you see here on the right, which has a guest apartment attached on the south end. It was completed in 2020 and is equipped to serve all of Mother Divine and future courses. And you can see in the foreground the newly planted fruit tree orchard, which we're very proud of. And at the same time that the kitchen was built, we constructed a new east entrance to the campus, which you see here with this beautiful sign which Mother Divine designed. But the amazing progress of this past year started a little over a year ago on May 10th in 2024, on the auspicious day of Akshaya Tritiya. On this day, we laid the cornerstone for the building. It was a rainy day, as you can see, but very blissful. And something very special, very magical, I would say, happened on that day. And everyone, all of Mother Divine, noticed it, that from that day on, there was a growing, powerful, I would say almost divine influence of the building that would grew more and more each day. And all the steps of construction that took place after that day just seemed to roll out effortlessly. Here is the new Vastu on the morning of October 5th in the morning sun. This was the first day after the last modular unit had been set on the foundation. And here, a few days later, a large crew of roofers came, and within a few days, they had completed almost the entire roof. It was an amazing thing to watch. And on April 18th, not too long ago, this beautiful golden kalash was raised to the roof and installed. And here's the building today, 1 year later. It's almost fully constructed. The siding complete, the kalash on, just a few remaining things on the interior. It's a 3-story building, 300 feet long, modular construction with 48 residential suites. Every Mother Divine will have 2 rooms, one large east room with a door out onto a veranda with views of the mountains and the lake, and a smaller west room, which can be used as an office or sitting room. And every hallway has a hallway kitchenette with a laundry room next to it. And in the center of the building upstairs, we have a few smaller meeting halls. One of them will eventually become a Vedic library. And here in the center of the building on the first floor is the main meeting hall. And this is a large space where all of Mother Divine and the Rajajeshris and all of you, when you come on courses, we can gather for special celebrations together. And here on the south end is a spacious dining hall with lots of windows and light. And here on the north end is the meditation hall. It's a large, expansive space that for all the Rajajeshris and Mother Divine to do their meditation together, to do our TM and TM City program together. It's been more than 15 years since we were all together in one hall doing our meditation together. And I think this is the one thing we're looking forward to more than anything else, being together in one meditation hall, doing our TM and TM City program together, fulfilling our role of nourishing world consciousness. I have to say, when we toured the building and we walked into this room, it was really thrilling. We're so happy for having this meditation hall. And Mother Divine, who've toured the building, and guests who've toured the building recently, all are struck by its power and its beauty. And we're on target for moving all of Mother Divine in to this new glorious Vastu in October. And soon after that, we look forward to welcoming all of you here too.